Today we're going to talk about a smart way to stay cool and save energy this summer by combining fans with your AC. As temperatures rise, finding efficient ways to keep your home comfortable is essential. Let's dive into how you can enhance your cooling strategy with this dynamic duo. First, let's understand how fans work to keep you cool. Fans, whether they're ceiling fans, floor fans, or desktop fans, create a wind chill effect by moving air around. This helps increase the rate at which perspiration evaporates from your skin, making you feel cooler. Even though fans don't lower the room's temperature, this cooling effect can be significant and very noticeable. There are different types of fans that serve various purposes. Ceiling fans are ideal for larger rooms as they distribute air evenly and often come with reversible motors for year-round use. Floor fans are portable and versatile, perfect for directing airflow exactly where you need it. Desktop fans are great for personal use in smaller spaces, providing immediate relief from heat. Now, let's see how fans can boost your air conditioner's efficiency. Air conditioners cool the air by removing heat and humidity, then circulating that cool air throughout your home. Without proper circulation, some areas might remain warmer than others. Fans help distribute the cooled air more evenly, preventing hot spots and ensuring a consistent temperature across your room. Using fans with your AC can also lead to significant energy savings. By enhancing air circulation, you can set your AC to a higher temperature without sacrificing comfort. This means fans can help you save on electricity, as they consume much less power than air conditioners. For example, raising your thermostat by just 4 degrees while using a ceiling fan can save up to 10% on cooling costs. Humidity control is another benefit. High humidity can make temperatures feel hotter than they are. Fans promote evaporation, removing moisture from the air and making your environment feel cooler. This means your AC doesn't have to work as hard to maintain a comfortable humidity level. To get the most out of your fans and AC, consider a few tips. Set your ceiling fan to rotate counterclockwise in the summer to push cool air down. In the winter, switch the direction to clockwise to help circulate warm air. Place floor and desktop fans strategically near air vents to spread cool air more effectively. Using fans to pre-cool rooms before turning on your AC can reduce the initial load on your air conditioner, making it more efficient. There are additional benefits to using fans with your AC. Fans can reduce wear and tear on your AC unit, potentially extending its lifespan and lowering maintenance costs. They also provide a direct breeze that can be adjusted to your preference, offering immediate relief from heat. Plus, by keeping air moving, fans help prevent the buildup of stale air and reduce indoor pollutants, improving your home's air quality. When choosing a fan to complement your AC, consider the size of your room and your specific cooling needs. Ceiling fans are great for large rooms, floor fans for medium to small rooms, and desktop fans for personal use in smaller spaces like home offices or bedrooms. Combining fans with your air conditioning system is a smart way to enhance comfort, improve energy efficiency, and maintain a consistent cool temperature in your home. Whether you're battling the sweltering summer heat or simply looking to optimize your indoor climate, this strategy can provide the perfect solution for staying cool and comfortable. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips on keeping your home comfortable. For personalized advice and service, give us a call at Anthem. We're here to help you stay cool all summer long. Stay cool and see you next time.